App frameworks. Foundation. Access essential data types, collections, and operating system services to define the base layer of functionality for your app. Overview. The Foundation framework provides a base layer of functionality for apps and frameworks, including data storage and persistence, text processing, date and time calculations, sorting and filtering, and networking. The classes, protocols, and data types defined by Foundation are used throughout macOS, iOS, watchOS, and tvOS SDKs. Topics, fundamentals. Numbers, data, and basic values. Work with primitive values and other fundamental types used throughout Cocoa. Strings and text. Create and process strings of Unicode characters. Use regular expressions to find patterns and perform natural language analysis of text. Collections. Use arrays, dictionaries, sets, and specialized collections to store and iterate groups of objects or values. Dates and times. Compare dates and times and perform calendar and time zone calculations. Units and measurement. Label numeric quantities with physical dimensions to allow local aware formatting and conversion between related units. Data formatting. Convert numbers, dates, measurements, and other values to and from local aware string representations. Filters and sorting. Use predicates, expressions, and sort descriptors to examine elements and collections and other services. App support, task management. Manage your app's work and its interaction with the user and the system. Resources. Access assets and other data bundled with your app. Notifications. Design patterns for broadcasting information and for subscribing to broadcasts. App extension support. Manage the interaction between an app extension and its hosting app. Errors and exceptions. Respond to problem situations in your interaction with application programming interfaces and fine-tune your app for better debugging. Scripting support. Allow users to control your app with AppScript and other automation technologies or run scripts from within your app. Files and data persistence. File system. Create, read, write, and examine files and folders in the file system. Archives and serialization. Convert objects and values to and from property list, JSON, and other flat binary representations. Preferences. Persistently store domain-scoped pieces of information used to configure your app. Spotlight. Search for files and other items on the local device, and index your app's content for searching. iCloud. Manage files and keys and key value data that are automatically synchronized among a user's iCloud devices. Networking. URL loading system. Interact with URLs and communicate with servers using standard internet protocols. Bonjour. Advertise services for easy discovery on local networks, or discover services advertised by others. Low-level utilities. XPC. Manage secure inter-process communication. Object runtime. Get low-level support for basic Objective-C features, Cocoa design, patterns, and Swift integration. Processes, processes and threads. Manage your app's interaction with the host, operating system, and other processes, and implement low-level concurrency features. Streams, sockets, and ports. Use low-level Unix features to manage input and output among files, processes, and the network. Classes. Class NS secure or archive from data transformer. Reference. Foundation enumerations, Foundation constants, Foundation data types. This document describes the data types and constants found in Foundation framework. So, Foundation fundamentals. Numbers, data, and basic values. Work with primitive values and other fundamental types used throughout Cocoa. Topics, numbers, struct int, assigned integer value type, struct double precision, floating point value type, struct decimal, a structure representing a base 10 number, class number formatter, a formatter that converts between numeric values and their textual representations, binary data, struct data, a byte, buffer in memory, URLs, struct URL, a value that identifies the location of a resource, such as an item on a remote server or a path to a local file. Struct URL components, a structure that parses URLs into and constructs URLs from their constituent parts. Struct URL queried item. A single name value pair from the queryable portion of URL. Unique identifiers. Struct UUID, a universally unique value that can be used to identify types, interfaces, and other items. Geometry. Struct CGFloat, the basic type of floating point scalar values in core graphics and related frameworks. Type alias and sPoint, next step point. A point in a Cartesian coordinate system. Type alias ns size, a two-dimensional size. Type alias nsrect, a rectangle. Struct affine transform, a graphics coordinate transformation. Struct nsedge insets, a description of the distance between the edges of two rectangles. Ranges. Type alias nsrange, a structure used to describe a portion of a series, such as characters in a string or objects in an array. Strings and text. Create and process strings of Unicode characters. Use regular expressions to find patterns and perform natural language analysis of text. Topics. Strings. Struct string. Unicode string value that is a collection of characters. Strings with metadata. Class ns attributed string. String that has associated attributes such as visual style, hyperlinks, or accessibility data for portions of its text. Class ns mutable attributed string. A mutable string object that also contains attributes such as visual style, hyperlinks, or accessibility data associated with various portions of its text content. Characters. Struct character sets, a set of Unicode characters, character values for use in search operations. Type alias Unicode Scala. Natural language processing. Class ns linguistic tagger. Analyze natural language text to tag part of speech and lexical class. Identify names. Perform lemmatization and determine the language of script and script. Pattern matching. Class scanner, an abstract superclass of a class cluster that scans values from a string. Class ns regular expression, an immutable representation of a compiled regular expression that you